one day you realize that there's no love between you anymore.
Binayaran mo na ba yung mga bills natin?
Hindi pa.
So kailan mo balak gawin?
Mamaya, ang aga-aga, ang sakit sa ulo.
Ano ba naman yan? Yan lang nga lang yung pinapagawa ko sa'yo. Hindi mo pa magawa ng maayos.
Aba, bakit? Ako din naman may trabaho. Ikaw lang ba may trabaho?
Pa sinusumbatan mo na ako Kabwisit!
Please continue your group activity. I will
Yes,
check that.
ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Again, Miss Jimboy, you're late again. Go line up there for your punishment. Wala nga ako niya.
That king cab truck sitting in that drive, I keep all cleaned up for your bright green eyes. That king size bed in that room upstairs, I keep a silk sheet set for when you lay there. And that cabinet sitting on that shelf ain't the only thing I can't keep to myself. 'Cause when you walk in the room, just say my name and I just can't keep it cool. I'll keep being yours, and I thank God you're mine. And I'll keep you smiling for the rest of your life. I wanna love you out loud. Ever since that night I felt, girl, you got all of my heart. I can't keep it to myself. The feelings you bring out my heart ain't got no use kept in the dark. When I hold you close and our souls collide, I'm gonna let you know I love you more every time that you walk in the room. Just say my name and I just can't keep it cool. I'll keep being yours, and I thank God you're mine. And I'll keep you smiling for the rest of your life. I wanna love you out loud. Ever since that night I felt, girl, you got all of my heart. I can't keep it to myself.
Hi guys! Good morning to you all! And here comes my most beautiful girlfriend. Anyway, it's our very first anniversary.
Happy anniversary, love.
Walk in the room.
Oh my gosh, Beshi! Bakit? Anong nangyari sa'yo? Ataas ang lagnat mo! My gosh! Wait, tawag ako ng ambulansya! Oh my gosh, wala yung phone ko! Tara, tara! Beshi, wake up! Nasaan siya? Nasa loob.
Ano, kumusta pakiramdam mo? Okay ka lang? Hayaan mo. Pagaling ka. Pag gumaling ka, babawi ako sa'yo.
Hindi mo naman kasalanan. Pwede, kahit ngayon. Pwede mo akong iwan. Alam ko na hindi kita kayang bigyan ng anak na gusto mo. Kaya, okay lang sa akin na iwan mo ako.
Okay lang yan. Kahit wala tayong anak. Ang mahalaga, magkasama tayo. Tsaka, hindi naman natin kailangan ng anak para sumaya eh.
Salamat.